my YouTube fans. We are about to have another awesome color. So please join me. Watch till the end for a special surprise. Click the subscribe button below. Touch that like button and share it and give it a thumbs up. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna do some awesome hair. So let's rock it out, okay? And share this with a friend. All right? Love you guys. Hello, my name is Angie, also known as Angeline. We are going to be talking about baby highlights today. I am going to be using the Wella, the new Wella brand, Blondor Plex. It helps protect the hair and lifts it quicker. I'm going to use 20 volume on the front and the top, and then I'm also going to use 30 volume in the back. I'm going to do baby highlights going from level 2 to level 9, 10. So it's pretty cool. I got a lot of lift. I'm going to start on the sides and then I'm going to work on to the top. This is level 2. A lot of foils. I'm going to just lay the leftover bleach through her ends just to brighten the rest of it up as well. So we got pretty light. 45 minutes, left it on. Took about an hour and a half to put the foils in. I'm going to tone it with Rusk 4AA. I'm going to do a shadow root with Rusk and 10 volume. And I left that on for about 30 minutes, and then I got her hair wet and ran it through the ends and let it sit on until I found the desired color that I liked. And then I used Olaplex right after toning. Then I shampooed it with Olaplex shampoo and conditioner. And then I used Olaplex number 6 for a leave-in. It's very moisturizing. It helps repair the hair. And the Kenra blow dry spray. I love this stuff. It smells amazing. Blow dries the hair quicker. And I have it all blowed out, and I'm gonna do a fanning of the hair and just slice. Point kiting right through it. Breaks it up, blends the layers. Adds texture. And she's not seen her hair yet, so. It's always exciting to see their expression when it's all done. Big sections. Pretty much from behind the ear all the way up. Fan it and slice. Beautiful. Another section. A quarter of the hair. It's one of my favorite techniques. See how that blends a lot better? It just depends on the texture of the hair, the thickness, on how much you want to do. It's a judgment call. But the hair is in really good condition with using the Olaplex. It's Tuesday night and we always have Zoom meetings with Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. So I put those on while I'm at work and educate myself at the same time. And if you think you're getting value here, please like and subscribe to my channel and share it with somebody that might be interested in what I'm doing. I also have a link below to the Overnight Millionaire if you're interested in that as well. Wesley is a great mentor, inspiring, cute. So, and Ariel is amazing. They're a good team. Alright. Now I'm using a Quaj dry shampoo. It's one of my favorite dry shampoos. You can use it after you're done styling it, the next day. It smells good and gives you enough texture in the hair.
Oh my gosh, I'm like scared. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh girl, you. Oh girl. You ugly. Oh my god. Oh my god. Do you like it? Girl, you so good. Just posted it on Facebook. Oh, should I show them too? Yes. Start liking my videos on YouTube, girl. Oh, you know, I like the way you did my layers too. She gonna come back. Oh my god. I'm gonna more than come back. I'll move here.
Shadow it, left on for 30 minutes, and then in the shampoo bowl, run the rest of the color through the hair. Leave it on for a few seconds. And there we go. I also sent her home with Kira Color, the silver cleansing conditioner.
Hey,
there's my boy.
You talk back to your boss? Probably not, because you're scared to get fired.
I love this guy.
Well, you didn't talk back to the principal, or
I love it when he gives me shout outs. That makes my heart so happy.
You're gonna get in trouble.
In yellow.
The same behavior. You know what I'm saying? See, this behavior.
Like and subscribe. Thank you.
Oh, you know, I like the way you did my layers too.
She gonna come back.
Oh my god. I'm gonna more than come back. I'll move here.
So shadow it, left on for 30 minutes, and then in the shampoo bowl, run the rest of the color through the hair. Leave it on for a few seconds. And there we go. I also sent her home with Kira Color, the silver cleansing conditioner. Like and subscribe. Thank you.